Hello, welcome back to Sunshine and Country. I'm glad you've joined our channel. So this is a follow-up video for the Japanese beetle spraying that we did on our grapevines and our fruit trees and stuff. So just persistence pays off is really the name of the game here. So as we mentioned in the video, spraying them every day as we see them land and set on the leaves. Just spraying them every day will help your plants out and also help control the population for next year as well, for the adult beetles that come in. So you see here the grapevine last year, we didn't use traps last year, but it got totally destroyed last year. We didn't have barely any leaves on the grapevine, but this year, as you can see, this is late August here. Today is August the 30th, and towards the end of the Japanese beetle season. And you can see here the grapevines. These grapevines here that's coming up on each side of the trellis have survived this year really well. So last year, wish we could have got video of it or pictures of it, but it barely had any leaves left on it after the Japanese beetles got a hold of them. So you see here the grapevines are flourishing still. We do have some aphid eggs that we see, so we'll have to get rid of those. When you see them, see the ants are eating up on some of them, but some of them will hatch, so we'll have to get rid of the aphid eggs. But other than that, the grapevines have survived this year, so looks like it's working. We'll walk over to some of the fruit trees too. The other vine that's in here with it is just cucumbers, and we've gotten a good harvest that we shared in the other video, and they're still growing now. You see some new ones coming in there, but it is starting to die down as well, the end of its season. But it's still fruiting and putting on flowers and giving us plenty of cucumbers this year, and we'll share that video as well. Alright, so just showing you the grapevines here. It's doing really well. Let's walk over to the fruit trees. Okay, so here we are. We're up at our plum tree. See, they did eat up on some of the leaves here. On many of the branches, some of the leaves are eaten up. But most of the leaves also have survived, because we were spraying this one every day as well, and it's still flourishing and growing for this season versus last year. So I would say we have a really good success. These other trees, they didn't really mess with too much. We did find them on them, but it didn't seem like they were actually eating too much on the leaves. Maybe just there to mate, but other than that, many of these were not messed with too much. These apples and pears, and then the peach, we only found a few on it, and this peach has gotten taller, so we eventually will have to top it soon as it starts to bush out. But the peach survives. So in a nutshell, it looks like treating them with the soap spray consistently and persistently every day will help your plants to survive and weather the storm. And we didn't really have that many Japanese beetles come in either as well. When we had the traps out, as we mentioned in the last video, you could actually walk outside and see them buzzing all over the place. Whereas this year, without the traps, I mean, we did have them on our plants, but they weren't swarming around where you could actually see them flying constantly all around the place. So alright, I hope that helps out. It's just a testament of hard work and patience sometimes does pay off. Signing out for Sunshine and Country. Y'all have a sunshiny day.